everybody, it's me Mukil again. Today I'm going to be solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and let's see how long I take. Let's start. Done. All the sides are solved. See you in my next video. My solution videos for these cubes are coming up, and the other cubes I'm going to solve with the timing. Please support and subscribe my channel.